Good morning, besties. We going to the beach today. I swear to God, every video I kind of start from this angle now. We'll try and mix it up. But we're going to the beach with Nicole, my friend from back home. I don't think you guys have seen her in a long time on the vlog, but she'll be here. This video really is not going to be about getting ready. It's more of like a vlog. So I will show you me getting it ready a little bit, not too much. I did make a list so I don't forget anything. So yeah, 95% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Cut the cameras.
So I'd appreciate if you'd hit that button and stick around.
Let's ride.
This is Nicole Surrounding, reporting live from the Devil's Advocate with my co-host, Brittany Albis. Oh, I got focus. Because I look up at the thing, so I see my eyes looking straight up. So we are at the Jersey Shore. We're about to go start our job. It's our first day. We're working at the t-shirt shop. Who do you want to be today? I'm Angelina. You're not JWoww, because JWoww's just...
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
This is us. This is our scenery. Ooh, trendy. Look at that. You know that new TikTok that it goes, don't talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't move my hand that fast, but I'm gonna try it.
Don't talk to me.
Yeah, it's like,
hard.
wait, ready? Don't talk to me.
Don't talk.
Don't talk to me. Can you put the sound in when you do it so that
No, I'll get copyrighted. We are at the beach. I know I look ridiculous as this turban. I just had Nicole take some photos of me, some photo inspo I had. I think they came out great. I can't wait to post them. Nicole's lathering herself up right now. I don't even know if you could see her.
Don't show it.
I'm sunscreen. Nicole's tanned oiled. I forgot my bucket hat. I'm really sad. I also got Wawa. We'll do a little, I guess, Wawa unboxing.
A Wawa ball.
We got a veggie sandwich with a Beyond sausage. And we got some baked Lay's, opposite of Nicole's classic Lay's. I love all our fans. Thank you guys for coming. Here's Ariel, just chilling.
I'm right here. What are you talking about?
We are in the McDonald's drive-thru for Nicole.
You're getting a lemonade, okay?
Oh, okay, a lemonade.
Don't judge me. Take it nice.
She went instead for a selfie for herself.
Because you wouldn't look. That's cute. Play a song.
I can't copyright.
Oh, there's no TikTok. Don't talk to me.
Stop with that.
Can I get the quarter pounder meal, medium with a Coke? And can I have mac sauce on that?
Right.
And can I get do you guys sell like the 6-count chicken nuggets, like not the meal? Just like the 6-piece nuggets, like no french fries or soda. Yeah.
Alright. Any sauce to that?
Just honey mustard.
Alright.
And then can I just get a medium pink lemonade?
Pink lemonade slushy?
Yes.
Alright, is that all?
Yes.
60 medium pink lemonade slushy.
I got us.
Oh, thanks, Boo.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Sugar Daddy. Sugar Mama.
Sure thing, boo.
That's actually cute.
I don't like it.
Oh.
Look at it like this. Like you look all paled out.
I'm gonna look pale next to you regardless.
I can't.
I'm done with you. I'm done.
I am never filming with her.
I'm never taking another photo with you. I can't wait to play back the footage where I have the same face every single time and you're like,
Trying to get my boobies. What the hell is going on? What the hell?
come on.
I don't like my hair. Yummy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. I don't know, where should I park? Right here? Or over there?
That was amazing.
What was amazing? We'll park over here.
That first sip and the second.
I'll look, we're right back.
You didn't order food?
No.
Oh, yeah. You want some? Oh!
One french fry.
But you're not hungry. I thought you didn't want no McDonald's, but you want the fry when I got it.
Give the people what they want. Show them the food too. What's wrong?
This one has a little bit of soft piece and I don't like that. Oh, it's backwards.
That's a pretty fluffy bun.
Bite.